Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've installed the bumper. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I think it's worth your money if you pick it up. So I just finished installing it. It's pretty straightforward. I would suggest that you get your own 3M tape. The 3M tape that came with this bumper sucks. I had to redo the whole thing here, and also all it really needs is a 3M going across here, going across down there, and the other side down there. So the tools that you're probably going to need, well, this is what I used. So Phillips head ratchet, 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, well, you don't really need this, but I would suggest you get some kind of drill with a Phillips screwdriver head. And so I'm just going to go underneath the car and then show you exactly what I did. And another thing would be a good pair of scissors to cut all your plastics. And also don't forget your needle nose pliers. Okay, so yeah, I don't have a jack stand underneath right now. And then the only reason is because I'm ready to close up shop already. So there's clips here that are these push pin type clips, similar to these, but they're really tight. So once you pull them out, you're probably not going to be able to use them. You have these are provided with the bumper. You get these screws with a washer and a 10mm nut on the other side. So you're gonna just basically, on the original, you're just gonna yank off the tab here, yank off the tab there, and on the inside here there's these pinch tabs. You can't probably can't see it, but there's these pinch tabs that you just gotta pinch them and kind of push toward the driver. So you're just gonna pinch, push, okay? And so there's about, I think, 5 of them, 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. The middle also has a center dolly thing, or a center pin, I should say. So once you get, what I did was I worked from the outside and then got to the middle, and then when I got to the middle, then I just kept pushing, and then it just detached by itself. So what you need the drill for, it's basically these screws here. You're going to need them from this, and then these are also provided with the bumper kit that I got. It's pretty straightforward. It took me about an hour. Most of the time was spent walking back and forth from the car. Like I said, the only thing I suggest is get better 3M tape. If you want, you can get better washers, because these washers are pretty tight fit. And get your drill. And oh yeah, and one more thing is that there's a Phillips screw here. You won't miss it when you look. There's a Phillips screw here. You just unscrew it. It's not tight at all. It's pretty straightforward. And like I said, that's pretty much it. It's really straightforward. If you're looking for a jacking point, that's your jacking point right there. This thing right here. Make sure you chuck your wheels. And yep, like I said, that's it. So alright, there you have it, guys. See you in the next video.